Hello, I'm Amanda Wong, International Sales Director with more than 16 years of experience in the building materials market. What I love most about my job is I'm helping clients build their dreams. Over the years, I've been working with clients from different countries to design and build steel structures, industrial and commercial, turn their ideas into real projects. I am confident in providing complete solutions, covering every stage of the project, from design and production to shipment and after-sales support at international exhibitions, on project sites, or inside our clients' factories. I fly to many countries to meet clients in person and discuss the real solutions face to face. I believe that every project deserves full attention, from the first drawing to the final build, to make sure that everything is clear, smooth, and well managed. Over the years, many of my clients have become long-term partners and even good friends. That's the part I feel most proud of. My clients often tell me, "Hey Amanda, whenever we have a problem, you always come back with a clear solution." Well, that's the goal. So, if you are looking for someone who's professional, reliable, experienced, and truly passionate about your success, I'm Amanda. I'm ready to build something amazing with you. Together,